Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 tablespoons custard powder, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and 1 cup milk for the base, plus 1/2 cup vanilla ice cream per serving if desired. In a small saucepan, combine the custard powder with 1/4 cup cold milk to form a smooth paste, then add the remaining 1 cup cold milk. Heat gently, whisking constantly until the mixture reaches just below boiling and thickens, about 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from heat and cool to room temperature before using. For a 12 FL Oz custard milkshake, combine 1 cup cooled custard, 1/2 cup vanilla ice cream, and 1/4 cup chilled milk in a blender. Start with low speed for 5 to 10 seconds to incorporate the ingredients, then increase to high for 15 to 20 seconds to create a creamy, aerated texture without overmelting. Taste for sweetness and add up to 1 tablespoon sugar or 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract if needed. Finish by pouring through a fine sieve into the glass to remove any lumps and ensure a silky. To serve, chill a 12 FL Oz glass and pour the milkshake immediately, topping with whipped cream and a dusting of cinnamon or cocoa. Add a 3/5-inch straw for easy sipping. For variations, fold in 2 tablespoons cocoa for chocolate, 1/2 cup mashed banana or berries for fruit, or 1 tablespoon peanut butter for a nutty twist. Leftover custard milkshake keeps in the refrigerator up to 24 hours. When ready to drink, stir or reblend with 2 tablespoons chilled milk to restore smooth texture and serve cold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.